We're told that Mark draws a rectangle that is 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters. We can see that here. Olga draws a rectangle with side lengths that are 3 times as long as Mark's rectangle. What is the perimeter of Olga's rectangle? Pause this video and see if you can figure that out. All right, now let's do this together. So I'm not going to quite draw it to scale, but let me draw another rectangle here that would be Olga's rectangle. In fact, I definitely don't have space to draw it at scale, but it might look something like this, where the corresponding sides, or if we look at the height right here, instead of 4 centimeters, we're going to be 3 times as long as that. So if we multiply that times 3, we're going to 12 centimeters. And instead of 6 centimeters, if we multiply that times 3, we'd get to 18 centimeters. So Olga's rectangle is going to be 12 centimeters by 18 centimeters. So what's the perimeter of Olga's rectangle going to be? Well, it's going to be the sum of all of these sides right over here. So it's going to be 12 centimeters plus this 18 centimeters plus this 12 centimeters. We're going all the way around. It's like building a fence around a piece of property. So plus another 12, and then plus another 18 centimeters. We have 4 sides, so we should list all of their lengths over here. So what is this going to be? This is 12 plus 18 is 30. We have another 30 right here, 12 plus 18. So this is 30 plus 30, which is equal to 60 centimeters. And we're officially done. Now, one interesting thing is to compare that perimeter to Mark's rectangle. So what's the perimeter for Mark's rectangle? Well, the height on the other side is also going to be 4 centimeters. This up here is going to be 6 centimeters. So this is going to be 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, which is 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Now notice, Olga's rectangle, each side is 3 times as long, and the perimeter, the sum of all the sides combined, is also 3 times as long. And that makes sense. If you did 3 times each of every one of these, it makes sense that it would make this sum of them, the perimeter, 3 times longer.